everyone. This is the demo video for my hackathon submission to the ADK AI Agents Hackathon. My name is Gaza Delphi, and this project is called the Secretary Agent. Scheduling meeting is a very simple but annoying task. If you have access to people's calendar, it's often kind of a hassle to find a common time. And if you don't have access to their calendar, it is always a task that's in the back of your mind, trying to send an email, follow up on the email, respond to the email, schedule the meeting. It is a task that should be simple, but it actually occupies a lot of mental space. And I think AI and AI agents are really good to be able to automate these kind of tasks. So, what is the idea here? Let's say we have a simple scenario. We have my alter ego here. His name is Alex Farner, trying to send a meeting request to another person. So normally you're like sending an email, let's meet. But let's say that we replace both of them with an AI agent. So these AI agents have access to your calendar, have ability to communicate both with you and the other person, and they can negotiate to find a common time in both of your calendars. So instead of you talking with that person, your agents are going to be talking to each other. So let's meet. Okay, are you available tomorrow at 3? That's my availability. Then the agent can check the calendar information and be like, no, actually, I'm not available at 3. I'm available at 3:30. So the negotiation happens. And when they reach a consensus, then the initiator agent is able to send out an actual calendar invite and book it in your calendar without you having to do anything. It takes care of everything end to end. But let's say that everybody does not have an agent, but you still want to be able to use yours. Well, the agent also has the ability to communicate with real people via email. So if they don't already have an agent, the agent is gonna identify that, send them an email, and when they respond to that email thread, that's going to invoke the agent similarly to how communication between two agents was going to invoke it. So you don't have to literally worry about anything. The AI agents will take care of your scheduling, whether it's facing another agent or an actual human being. So you have only one point of contact, and that's going to be the AI agent itself. So I'm going to do a quick demo of how it's going to work. And for more technical details of how it's implemented, I will refer you to look at the blog post that I'm going to be posting on my website. So to the demo part, so I have everything set up on my local here, and I have two agents set up, one of them for Alex Farner and one of them for Matt Vural. So I have color coded the terminals here. So you can see this is the host. This is the sync agent for main. This is the calendar agent for our main. So the person who's initiating this response. This is the sync and calendar agents for our second person that we want to schedule the meeting with. So this is the UI. So this is hosted in my own personal website. And I put in the chat that can you set a meeting with Matt for tomorrow? And I give the details. As you can see here, we start with the host. The host delegates to Sync, and Sync starts asking for availability from its calendar. And to sync with the second person, it will contact the sync agent for them, and that also will contact their respective calendar agent. So they're negotiating the time that is available for both, trying to find a time that works for both people. Okay, so it was scheduled for tomorrow. So today is June 23 for 10:30 a.m. Let's check in our Google Calendar. So I on purpose blocked a certain time so that I see if we will get around it. And it's already created the meeting invite. And I said the agenda is ADK Hackathon submission and the title is one-on-one meeting. Part of the demo is interaction with email, not agents. So in my contacts here, I have an agent configured for Matt, but an email configured for my own contact. So I sent a message to set a meeting with me for tomorrow, and I wanted to schedule a meeting via email. I have sent a meeting request to Azalea for a 30-minute one-on-one meeting. So I'm expecting to receive the email here. And there you go, from the person who wants to meet. Hello. Um, these are my available times. Which ones work for you? And then I can respond with 1 p.m. works for me. And then when I send this out, all right, so as you can see, the email response have triggered the sync agent, and the sync agent was capable to schedule the meeting that I have asked for 1 p.m. based on this email interaction. So if I go, either I can check it here. So 1 p.m. for the one-on-one meeting. And this is connected to the Google Calendar. So yeah, same meeting is scheduled via email.